Thank you. Gusto ko lang po kayong handugan ng ilang kanta bago po ako mag-end. Pasalamat. Yan po, nag-aano siya. May mga dito po, may mga matatanda. Ang mga matatanda po dito, nag-iikot sila pag ganitong recycle day kasi naghahanap sila ng mga bote ng mga cokes, yung yung ibebenta nila. My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you is in you. My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you is in you. I will praise you with all of my life. I will praise you with all of my strength. With all of my life. With all my strength. All of my hope is in you. My life is in you, Lord. My strength. My hope is in you, Lord. In you is in you. My life is in you, Lord. My strength is in you, Lord. My hope is in you, Lord. In you is in you. In you is in you. In you is in you. My life. Thank you, Sisi. As I end my life, kantayin ko po muna tong last two songs. And I will be ending my life. Ito na lang yung Sandali po as I'm checking. Thank you so much everyone in the house sa mga nag-visit po ng channels ko since last night. Maraming salamat. Si Cyril, pumunta na po ako sa iyo, but I will visit more. Sis Apple Love, Ari Manandis, thank you so much sa pagbalik. Maraming salamat rin na ng mga kambing. Thank you, Sis Janet. Thank you sa mga faithful kong supporters, Sis Eileen at The Explorer. Batang Mindoro Vlog, thank you. Sis JL Mix Vlog, maraming salamat. Si Edmond Balsi, thank you so much, brother. Naka-play po si overnight yung yung playlist ay yung live na 5 hours for your watch hour. So maraming salamat po sa bawat isa as I end my live. Salamat lang po ako Aking mamasdan